happened?
One of our former 9 Squadron people discovered the aircraft to be on display at Nyngan in Western New South Wales. The idea was born that we might think about recovering it and bringing it to a more appropriate place than Nyngan. Not that there's anything wrong with Nyngan, but it's not really got a connection with a former 9 Squadron ex-Long Tan veteran helicopter. I'm very, very pleased to have met Laurie. I knew him before we started this, but it was just a fitting end to the aircraft to have it sitting on display where everyone can see what it actually did and what it did for the people who were on the ground that day.
I know what a hard job that Bob had to get the replacement, to give to Nyngan, to get the original chopper back, and to see it all painted up. And I seen the old chopper, the Civi one that they changed. I was seeing that when it first came into Caloundra, and I thought, oh, this is not going to happen. But to see it up there and all painted up and everything was great.
It draws people and it gives them a very real image of what it was like, how big the helicopter was, what the helicopter would be like flying over your head, all those sorts of things.
A little bit of a warm feeling to see that something that could have been lost, a part of history that could have been lost, and it would have been if it had stayed down at Nyngan, that it will be looked after, and that's a little bit of history that everybody can get a little bit out of.